Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for not updating you with the current build, but yeah, basically I got my manifold finally. It took about a month to get it made and shipped from Poland, and I'm actually selling it here for you US guys. So if you want to get some pricing, some info, contact me, DM me, do whatever you guys gotta do, and I'll provide some more information for you. It's all custom made, TIG, beautiful, everything. But yeah, so after I got everything put back together, I did a first startup, car startup right away, no problems, ran beautiful, all the power was there, and then had it parked for a few days, and then it just didn't want to start. All it did was crank. So been slowly diagnosing the problems, did all the basics to diagnose, and there was no start issue. So I'm waiting for a few parts, and hopefully they'll fix the problem, fix the situation for you guys, and give you some more content with the car. But yeah, so I'll show you what I changed with the car, what I'm planning on doing, so stay tuned.
So yeah guys, basically this is the manifold I'm running on my car. It's a twin scroll setup, as you can see, made by a good buddy of mine, Camila K64 Performance. It's all custom. Basically we could do it for any car, for any setup you guys have. It's all nicely TIG. These manifolds are rated for 1,000 horsepower plus. I also want to point out, if you buy a manifold off eBay or any other company, they usually have a weld buildup, and that kind of restricts the flow of everything. As you can see, these are pretty mint, no buildup whatsoever, nowhere. The runners, so you got good airflow coming in and out. Same thing over here. This is the piece for the wastegate. It actually comes with a weld bow that you can get welded on from factory or do it yourself, whichever way you prefer. Basically your elbow comes out this way or the other way, and then just depending on your setup, people just prefer leaving it off because they're not sure which way they want to do it. But yeah, as you can see, I did a livery on the car all the way from back to front. I tucked the bottom part of the fender in. Also, from the last video, you remember me running the Apex wheels with the 285s. Well, that setup didn't work with the spacers. Just kind of, it was rubbing inside, so I had to switch for the steers up front. Well, actually all around the back and the front. So yeah, as for the engine bay, you can see I'm got some of it apart because I'm doing the sensor up here. Hopefully that fixes the problem. But yeah, here's the hood exit, straight dumping from the turbo. You get all the cool sounds. Turbo. So yeah, basically the car is all back together. Hopefully I get a sensor in tomorrow. Hopefully everything works the way it should.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the update video of the build. Hopefully we get this car up and running in the next couple days. Get some more content for you guys, do some drift videos. But yeah, it's getting cold in here and I ain't got a heater, so I'm freezing my ass off. As you can see in the last clip, my hands were kind of shaky. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Peace. Again, subscribe, click the like button. We'll see you soon.